If you love great shows like this, then you're going to love the amazing show at the Greg Rowles Legacy Theatre on Main Street in North Myrtle Beach. Stay tuned for some highlights.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beaching with the Boons, and we're down here in beautiful North Myrtle Beach, and we've got 2 tickets to Greg Rowles Legacy Theatre right here in North Myrtle Beach. Let's go check it out.
So here's a closer look at our tickets. Let's see here. 2 tickets.
And you have to find your seat.
Do you? Where's your seat? Oh, there's your seat right there.
Okay.
All right. So now the ceiling, I don't know if you noticed, is twinkling stars.
That is so nice.
So here is some of their acts right here, posted on the wall.
That's right. And right whenever you walk in the door, you smell delicious popcorn. Look at that. So they have buttery popcorn with some weekly specials.
So there's the guitars. Look at that guitar.
Oh, and they have wine. So I think I'm going to get a glass of wine, B-Box.
All right.
That's pretty cool. So they got wine and charcuteries, coffee, and mini dessert cups. Cool. All right, so we're going to go on into this beautiful room. Look at that. Isn't that nice?
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Good. We're at BB 7 and 6.
All right, come on down.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Watch your step.
Thank you. Attention to those monitors, you might get caught on the kiss cam. So So they set us right here in the middle of the theater. We're going to be very quiet. It's very quiet in here, and the dress is not that bad. It's starting to get packed. Look at that. Woo-hoo. I'm getting excited. How about you, Beatbox?
Yeah.
When I'm feeling good to you.
If you find that entertaining, you're gonna love this.
I grew strong and I learned how to get along. And so long back from our space, I just walked in to find you here with that sound look upon your face.
The entertainment doesn't stop there. Check this out.
As long as I hold the string, I feel silly so happy.
It's not just that great classic music, they also bring in some country.
Feeling that amber current flowing from my mind. The war within this heart. We take you back in time to TV land.
I know you recognize these favorite TV shows. Go ahead, sing along.
A bit of a maple trip that started from this rocket board aboard this tiny ship. The link was a mighty sailor and the skipper great and sure. My passengers set sail and they were being out cool.
So, book your tickets today at the Greg Rowles Legacy Theatre.
That was absolutely a great show. Thank you so much for inviting us to come and watch your show. We strongly encourage all of our subscribers to check it out. If you're definitely looking for a good show to do while you're down here at the beach with your friends and family, and they had kids and everyone enjoyed it.
Very
Wasn't it great?
family friendly, yes.
It was, yes, very.
And you're allowed, I didn't take my hat. I thought I was being respectful, but you can bring hats in there. I saw a lot of people with hats, so
You
now
can.
I'm bald-headed.
Just make sure that you dress comfortable. I know a lot of people were dressed up, you know.
Yeah, now you didn't get cold.
I did not get cold.
And
but
the seats kind of rock back and forth, so it's very comfortable too.
yes. And like I said, it definitely kept my attention. We were kind of worried about that I wouldn't be able to, take the whole entire show. But I mean, it was wonderful.
Very, very entertaining.
It was very entertaining. And they change every night. Someone was telling us
a different show.
They were telling us that it is a different show every single night. So there you go. And there's memberships that you can buy.
Right, and it's cheaper if you buy like a membership for a yearly membership or whatever. So it saves 10% like off of your food and sodas and stuff like that as well if you get the membership. So make sure, is that everything?
That's it. So
All right.
Make sure you definitely check them out. We just want to tell them one more time that we are so grateful and thank you so much for asking us to come.
Right.
It was a very great date night for Mother's Day.
It sure was.
Yes.
And make sure, if you found this entertaining, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach. And if you hit that bell notification, it will remind you of future videos that we post, and we post them weekly. And as always,
Keep beaching, and we'll see you in the next video, or even on the streets like this. See you next time.
just bring a hat.